Many more Palestinians have to be killed until we call for a ceasefire. How many more?
A group of American Jewish anti-Zionist activists organized a sit-in at the offices of several US lawmakers to demand an immediate ceasefire in Gaza. Members of If Not Now targeted the offices of Bernie Sanders, Chuck Schumer, Hakeem Jeffries, and Catherine Clark, who have not called for a ceasefire. Despite a recent poll showing that 66% of Americans support de-escalation, only 18 members of Congress have so far signed a ceasefire resolution.
How many more Palestinians must die for Congress to wake up? The suffering of the Palestinian people has never been so dire. Surgeries are being performed without anesthesia. Hospitals have no electricity. And the sick, the wounded, and the newborn will die in darkness. How do these legislators go to sleep at night, knowing their impotence is allowing Palestinians to be wiped off the face of the earth?